Hi guys, welcome back into another video drawing with James. And in today's video we have a family friend over from England called Dawn. She changed the law once, but I can't remember, so let you speak.
Oh, thank you, James. Thank you for having me on your show. So yeah, I'm Dawn. I changed the law in England to make spiking a specific offence. And I've also designed these like drink covers to protect your drink. And we've now sold over 7 million of them. And do you know what? For everyone that gets used, we give a donation to the charity. So when you get older and you're going out having fun, you'll be safe. That's the plan. So what are we going to be drawing?
That Dawn actually has two little tortoises, and that inspired us to draw Raphael from the Ninja Turtles.
And my tortoises are called Houdini and his trusted assistant, because all they want to do is disappear.
So let's get drawing, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so first we're going to be drawing his head. So we're going to draw like this little thing round like this. Then we're going to draw two little bumps on each side. And then join them up with a little half-banded line. Next, we're going to be drawing his eyes. So what we're going to do is just upside down D's.
Ah, that's cool. Now you said it as an upside down D, that makes sense.
And then we're going to draw his mouth. So do a line here. It's going to do one of those half smiles. Next, we're going to draw the top of his head. So just bring it over, just like that. And then the little tie part.
Oh.
Now we're going to draw his like body bit. So we're going to do bump, bump. And then we're going to come in and down. And across. Then we're going to draw a line that comes over like that. And just a couple other lines. And then a line there. Now we're going to draw his neck to his shoulders.
Oh yeah, that way. How long have you been drawing?
I can't remember. Maybe a year and a half.
Right. I've seen some pretty cool drawings that you've done. Nice.
And then, so that's his traps and the shoulder.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw his hand up like this. And then the thumb. And then three. Actually, it's two little lines. He's got 3 fingers.
Oh, I've done that a bit small. Is that all right?
It's fine.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw a bump that comes round and under. Then this comes down like that. And then this little bump right there. Okay, now we're going to draw the dagger. So we're going to do a little line like this. Then this. And then the spike up bit right here. The line down there. You could probably connect yours at the top.
All right, to the end.
And now we're going to draw this bit right there. So that's quite easy. So that. Bring it a bit lower actually. Now we're going to draw the other arm. So we're going to draw just it coming straight down.
You've made me look like I can draw. That's amazing. Okay, that one down there.
And then this. And then this. And then this. then this, and then this. And do a little line right here. Okay, now we're going to draw his hand, other hand, so. One, two. Oh, it's just two. Okay, now we're going to draw his other bit right here. So I'm going to come down like this. And then we're going to just bring it straight across like this. And then bring it down again. And then draw a circle. And an R.
Ah.
And then we're going to bring it down here. Actually, just bring it straight down. There you have. And then we're going to do a little line like that. And then line here. And line to here.
It's all about the detail.
And that. And that. Now I'm going to draw the shell on the back. So we're going to bring it around like this. And bring it from behind there, up, like that. And you're going to imagine it's coming through.
Yeah.
Bring it back up again.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw this.
So the shell bit, this is what's going to remind me of my tortoises when I get home.
And then we're going to kind of just do little detail bits inside.
Oh, that goes inside. Oh, no, that bit. Yep.
And then now we need to write the name. I don't know how to, so you're going to tell me how to do it.
Okay, where do we put that? At the top?
Yep.
So R,
R,
A,
A,
P,
P,
H,
H,
A,
A,
E,
E,
L.
L. Raphael.
Raphael.
So just these lines and a different colour inside of them.
Blended shade in there, right? Good colouring in there,
Uh-huh.
aren't you? So I drew this owl with Indian ink when I was at school. And it was really good and someone nicked it.
Oh. Yeah. What do you mean nicked it?
They stole it. So when I went to get my classwork, it was gone. So I had a little funny turn. So I'd have probably kept it. It was a good drawing.
Since you can see that bit on your one, so you could use this to colour that in. And I've just done it for you.
Nice.
And then use the silver for the blade.
Okay. What about that bit?
That bit, yep, that bit's green.
That's green, right. My God, you're so much quicker than me. Mine's quite fat. He's a turtle that wants to, like, eat a lot.
Did you like pizza?
I think he does. Oh, I should come down.
Do they actually do like pizza in real life?
No, they eat cherries and they eat blueberries. They eat
no,
lettuce.
I mean the Ninja Turtles.
Oh, the Ninja. Oh, sorry, I thought you meant mine. What about his mouth?
The mouth that stays white. I'm gonna do a bit of shading.
Okay, what about the sword? Oh, that's this one.
Okay, so once you've finished your colouring in, you can see that it looks really good to me. So I hope you enjoy colouring in this picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I need you to say something.
Well, I have never been on a drawing like tutorial, and I think you gave me really good advice. So thank you very much. Boom.
Wait, they didn't see that. High five.
Boom.
There you go. Okay, so hope you enjoy colouring this picture. It looks really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.